Hello, my name is Ruth, and I would like to help you learn new words in English. Join me next for Hello Word Power on Hello Channel. This is Hello Channel. Hello, I'm Ruth Todd. Welcome to Word Power. Today, we're learning words in English that begin with the letter O. Say O. Yes, that's right, O. O is a vowel. It makes two different sounds. Long O sounds like O. Short O sounds like ah. Are you ready? Let's learn words that begin with an O. On. 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 You say it. On. Again. On. Right, one more time. On. Yes, very well done. On is the position with electrical appliances that supplies power and makes things run. Turn on the lights so I can see in the dark. Or turn on the radio so we can listen to the music. On also means in contact with and supported by, as in, the water is on the table. Please read the sign on the gate. Bill is outside lying on the grass. Put on your jacket in the cold weather. On can also mean during the course of a journey. Melissa is on her way to visit her mother. On can also mean being broadcast on radio or television. There is a new program on Channel 6. My favorite radio program is On at Midnight. Say it one more time. On. Yes, well done. Online. 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 You say it. Online. Say it again. Online. One more time. Online. That's right. Online means controlled or connected to another computer or network. Online also means connected to the internet or the World Wide Web. You can go online to read the most current news. You can check the weather and your bank account online. Say it one more time. Online. Well done. Or. You try it. Or. Again. Or. Once more. Or. Yes, that's correct. Or is a word that is used to show different choices. Would you like coffee or tea? Will we drive today or tomorrow? I will choose the color red or yellow. Or can also mean otherwise, as in, you'd better hurry or you will miss your airplane. Say it one more time. Or. Yes, that's correct. Well done. Orchestra. 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 You say it. Orchestra. Again. Orchestra. One more time. Orchestra. Yes, that's correct. An orchestra is a group of musicians who play classical music together on musical instruments. An orchestra includes string instruments such as violins, cellos, and violas. An orchestra also has woodwind instruments such as clarinets, oboes, bassoons, and flutes. In an orchestra, there are brass instruments, such as trumpets, trombones, and French horns. And an orchestra has percussion instruments, such as the xylophone, the cymbals, the timpani, or kettle drums. Rebecca's daughters play instruments in the school orchestra. Say it again, orchestra. Correct. We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power.
This is Hello Channel. Come learn English as you watch TV. It will change your life.
Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin. Other, other, other. Now your turn. You say other. Again, other. One more time. Other. Yes, that's right, other. Other is a word that refers to a person or a thing that is different or distinct than what has already been mentioned or known about. Put the keys in the basket or some other place where you will find them. We can eat at the cafe or some other restaurant. Lift one hand in the air and then lift the other. Say it again, other. Yes, that's right. Outside, outside, outside. Now you say it, outside. Again, outside. One more time, outside. Yes, that's correct. Outside is the external side or surface of something. Write your name on the outside of the envelope. Outside can also mean situated or moving beyond a boundary of a room, a building, or other enclosed space. There is a boy standing outside our door. The dog is still barking outside. Say it again, outside. Correct, well done. Over, over, over. Now you try it. Over. Again, over. One more time, over. Yes, that's right, good job. Over has several meanings. Over means to cover something. I will spoon the sauce over my spaghetti. Over also means above. Charles is happy to have a roof over his head. Over also means extending directly upwards from, as in, I watched the fireworks over the water, or we could see black smoke over the city. Over can also mean duration or the time something takes. My cake recipe became famous over many years of baking and eating, or my friend tells me her problems over our lunch break. Over can mean by way of, as in, she broadcasts the news over the airwaves. Over can also mean higher than or more than. Next year, I will travel to over 10 countries. I run over 3 miles each morning. Say it again, over. Correct. You did very well today. Now, practice some of the new words you learned on Hello Word Power. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.